Did you know that using the wrong coolant in your BMW can silently wreck your engine over time? Yep, one small mistake can lead to overheating, corrosion, and even expensive repairs. That's why choosing the right coolant isn't just smart, it's essential. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best coolants for BMW, comparing features, performance, and value so you can make the perfect choice for your ride. All the links are in the description. Number 5, Mishimoto Liquid Chill OE Coolant. Kicking things off with the Mishimoto Liquid Chill OE Coolant, this one's perfect for BMW owners who want near OEM performance without paying dealer prices. Pre-mixed 50/50 and dyed OEM blue, it's simple to install, offers freeze protection down to 34 DGF, boilovers protection up to 265 DGF, and uses ethylene glycol with advanced corrosion inhibitors compared to generic long life or silicate-based coolants. It's more closely aligned with BMW's chemistry, keeping your engine running cool and extending the lifespan of your radiator and water pump. Users love that it maintains stable operating temperatures and prevents deposits, but remember, bleeding the system is key to avoid air pockets. What really sets Mishimoto apart is its balance between convenience and performance. It comes pre-mixed, saving you the hassle of diluting concentrate, and its blue coloring makes leaks easy to spot without staining components. For drivers who track their cars or push their engines hard, it handles temperature swings exceptionally well, reducing thermal stress on engine components. Long-term users also report minimal sludge formation and less frequent flush cycles compared to conventional aftermarket coolants. While some may argue OEM BMW coolants are safer, Mishimoto's consistency and thoughtful formulation make it a fantastic alternative for budget-conscious enthusiasts who still demand reliable engine protection. Number 4, Peak OET Extended Life Purple Coolant. Next up, Peak OET Extended Life Purple Coolant is designed with North American OEMs in mind. Think Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, and Fiat models. Its purple OET formula offers 5 years or 350,000 miles of protection and guards against rust, corrosion, and thermal stress, while being aluminum friendly. Unlike hybrid coolants like Xerix G5, Peak OET is silicate and 2EA free, giving a clean OEM compatibility solution for vehicles that require purple OET. It's a concentrate, so you'll dilute it before use, but the instructions are simple and straightforward. In real-world use, it keeps engines stable and avoids buildup, making it a cost-effective choice for those who stick to the full flush and fill service schedule. What makes Peak OET especially appealing is its extended life formula. For drivers who prefer fewer maintenance intervals, it's a compelling option without compromising corrosion protection. Its aluminum compatibility is a strong plus, especially for engines with mixed metal components. While it's not universally BMW-approved, it can still work in older models or vehicles requiring similar OET chemistry if used correctly. The users also appreciate its consistent heat management and long-term clarity, which reduces the likelihood of system contamination over time. Overall, Peak OET balances longevity, protection, and budget considerations, making it an attractive choice for those who don't mind a little extra prep work when mixing concentrate. Number 3, K-Seal Stack 5501 Multi-Purpose Coolant Leak Repair. Now, if you're dealing with a small leak and don't want a full teardown, the K-Seal ST5501 is a clever, budget-friendly fix. This one-step additive circulates in your coolant and seals minor leaks in the radiator, head gasket, water pump casing, heater core freeze plugs, you name it. Its ceramic microfiber and copper blend works under heat and pressure to form a permanent seal for holes up to 0.635 microfolds receptor. Compared to aggressive stop leak competitors, K-Seal is gentle on the system and doesn't risk clogging passages if used correctly. That said, it's not a miracle fix for catastrophic leaks, but for small, hard-to-reach issues, it can save a ton in repair costs. K-Seal's biggest advantage is its simplicity and versatility. For a DIYer, it eliminates the need to disassemble expensive engine components just to fix minor leaks. It's compatible with all types of antifreeze, so there's no need to drain and replace your current coolant immediately. Many users also note that after applying K-Seal, their cooling system maintains proper pressure and temperature regulation, which can prevent secondary issues from a leaking radiator or water pump. While it's best treated as a stopgap or a preventative solution, it's surprisingly effective for emergency repairs and budget-conscious maintenance. It's especially handy if you own multiple vehicles and want a single product that can handle various engines without risk. Number two, K-Seal State 5516 heavy-duty coolant leak repair. For bigger engines or heavy-duty applications, K-Seal ST 5516 steps it up. This 16.0 formula is designed for trucks, RVs, tractors, and other industrial engines, sealing moderate leaks in radiators, head gaskets, and water pump casings without flushing the system. Using a copper and ceramic suspension, it forms a durable weld-like repair when heated by engine operation. Compared to SC 5501, this heavy-duty version handles larger capacity systems, giving peace of mind for industrial or cost-sensitive setups. While it's overkill for a small BMW passenger car, for those needing a larger scale solution without expensive teardown, it's a standout performer. Correct application is key, but it can be a game changer for heavy-duty owners. ST 5516 shines because of its high heat tolerance and ability to withstand continuous heavy loads. Commercial drivers or off-road enthusiasts often praise its performance under extreme conditions where traditional stop-leak products fail. It's formulated to circulate efficiently in massive cooling systems, so there's minimal risk of clogging or reduced coolant flow. Additionally, the long-term durability of its seal reduces downtime and maintenance costs, which is crucial for fleet operations. Even though it's specialized, its ease of use makes it surprisingly accessible for the average DIYer with a larger vehicle. It's a smart investment if you want a reliable, no-fuss way to extend the life of a cooling system before committing to costly replacements. Number 1. BMW-approved Coolants G48/HT12. Topping our list is the tried and true BMW-approved Coolants G48 blue/green and HT12 green. These are the gold standard for BMW engines, providing optimal protection against corrosion, freezing, and overheating while fully matching BMW's cooling system chemistry. Mixed 50/50 with distilled water, they ensure maximum performance and reliability, keeping your engine running smooth for years. While aftermarket options like Mishimoto are excellent for cost-conscious or performance-minded owners, nothing beats sticking to the OEM-approved formulas for long-term peace of mind. BMW-approved coolants are designed with precise chemistry to interact safely with all metals, plastics, and rubber components in the cooling system. This reduces the risk of deposits, scaling, or premature water pump failure, which can occur with incompatible aftermarket products. They also maintain consistent thermal stability under all operating conditions, which is crucial for modern high-performance engines with turbochargers or advanced electronic cooling control. While they may be slightly more expensive than generic alternatives, the reduced risk of costly repairs makes them worth every penny. For anyone serious about longevity and avoiding headaches down the road, G48 or HT12 remain the ultimate choice, offering reliability, consistency, and complete OEM alignment. Final thoughts. Your BMW deserves the right coolant to avoid costly repairs and keep that engine purring. Stick to BMW-approved formulas whenever possible, or use a trusted aftermarket option like Mishimoto for added flexibility. What's your favorite BMW coolant? Have you tried any of these? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update on BMW maintenance tips. All the links are in the description.